One of the most important literacy skills that a child has to learn during early childhood is reading. While the schooling syllabus is usually boring, it is hard for a child to easily read and understand things during his early stages of life. This can become troublesome for the parents who worry about the future of their child. This review is about Reading Head Start, which is a digital program specially designed to improve a child's reading skills. Just keep scrolling to know everything about it. Reading Head Start Program. As discussed, Reading Head Start program works on a child's reading skills and help improve them. It works for the child of any age and is totally different from what is taught in the school. The official site claims that all the information in this program is scientifically verified and is 100% effective in accelerating a child's reading skills. It assures the parents that their child will have even better reading skills than children of the elder age. Why Reading Head Start? Now, the question may arise that why would you choose the Reading Head Start program for your child? Here's the answer to it. 1. The program is divided into 4 phases, which are all very easy to understand and learn. 2. It requires only 15 minutes of your day. 3. It helps to build your child's self-esteem. 4. It improves the child's language skills. 5. Good reading skills means a happy and successful school life for your child. How is it helpful? The Reading Head Start program helps in improving the child's reading and understanding skills from a very small age. While other parents have to read things out to their children, your child will read things loud at you. By now, around 36,453 children have benefited from this program, and the list is getting longer. You will see a great improvement in your child's reading skills just within 30 days of using this program. About the author of this program. The author of the Reading Head Start program is Sarah Shepard, who is an English teacher by profession. She created this program to help children improve their English. The program was initially started to improve her own child's reading skills who was poor in English. The program targets the new learners of 2 to 9 years of age and helps in improving their ability to read, understand, and learn things. Techniques used to improve a child's reading skills. Now, let's have a look at the 4 major areas that the Reading Head Start program focuses on to improve a child's literacy skills. 1. A fun approach in reading and understanding. The program makes it enjoyable for the children to read and understand things, hence they learn fast. 2. Improved social interactions. The program works on the child's social skills with those around him, her. 3. Development in vocabulary, language, and communication skills. These are important to build confidence in the child, which in return, helps in fast learning. 4. Improved psychological ability. The level of confidence in a child is increased with a better understanding of things. Benefits and drawbacks of choosing the Reading Head Start program. Everything comes with some benefits and some drawbacks. Let's have a look at these for a better understanding of this program. Benefits. The program is very user-friendly. All you have to do is just click a button and videos will be played on your laptop, desktop. The interactive sections make reading enjoyable for the child so that they can learn fast. The scientifically proved methods used in this program are quite effective in improving the child's literacy skills. The level of confidence in the child is increased with better learning experiences. The level of knowledge is also improved, and his skills develop faster, leading him to a successful life in the future. Drawbacks. The program can only be accessed online through the official website, which requires the user to stay committed to get the final result. The best part, money-back guarantee. The Reading Head Start program comes with a money-back guarantee of 1 year. This means that even after 365 days, if you are not satisfied with the product, you can claim for a refund and get your money back. What else would you want? Is this program actually helpful? There are a lot of good reviews and positive feedback for this program. Parents who have used this program for their children are quite satisfied with the results. They have noticed an increased level of confidence in their children. There are so many happy comments of the parents who see their children read out the random billboards and signs anywhere they see on the road, park, or market. Conclusion. Although there are numerous programs available for improving children's literacy skills, The Reading Head Start program stands out in a lot of ways. Just within 30 days of usage, the child begins to read, understand, and learn things at a much faster pace. The best part is the money-back guarantee, which you can claim anytime within 365 days. You can even use the 100% money-back guarantee within 60 days of purchase if you are not satisfied with the results. However, it's very unlikely that you use it, as you will begin to see a great amount of improvement in your child just within a few days. So what are you waiting for? Isn't it worth a shot? Place an order already with the link below.